What makes a property sales agreement incorrect? Imagine signing a contract that could cause you headaches or even financial loss. That's why understanding what makes a property sales agreement incorrect is so important. First, a common mistake is not having a clear and detailed property description. If the agreement only says the property is a residential lot without specific details like the lot number, block, or subdivision, it can lead to confusion. Including details about fixtures, appliances, or exclusions is also essential to avoid disagreements later. Another mistake is using vague or unclear terms. For example, if the payment schedule isn't specific, like how much is due and when, or if deadlines for inspections or financing aren't set, misunderstandings can happen. Clear timelines help both parties know what to expect and when. Failing to provide required disclosures is a big legal issue. Sellers must honestly share any known problems with the property, like structural issues or past flooding. Missing or incomplete disclosures can give buyers grounds to cancel the deal or sue for misrepresentation. Incorrectly identifying the parties involved can cause problems too. The agreement must include full legal names and proof that each person or entity has the authority to buy or sell. For example, if a trust or limited liability company is involved, proper documentation must be attached. Skipping thorough due diligence can also lead to mistakes. Not checking the Title IV liens or reviewing zoning laws might mean discovering hidden liabilities after the sale. Conducting inspections and title searches with professionals helps prevent surprises. Contingencies are protections built into the contract. If these are poorly written or missing, parties might be stuck in a deal they'd rather cancel. For example, a contingency for financing approval or satisfactory inspections should be clearly stated and include deadlines. Legal compliance is another key point. Ignoring local laws or missing contractual deadlines can invalidate parts of the agreement or lead to penalties. It's important to follow all regulations and meet required timeframes. Lastly, any amendments or addenda to the contract must be properly drafted and signed by both sides. If changes are made informally or not documented correctly, disputes can arise about what the current terms are. To avoid these issues, always use a detailed property description, clearly state all terms, and include all necessary disclosures. Make sure everyone involved is properly identified and authorized. Conduct thorough inspections and title searches, and draft contingencies carefully. Consulting a qualified real estate attorney can help review or prepare the agreement to ensure it's correct and legal. By paying close attention to these common mistakes and following these steps, sellers and buyers can make the process smoother, reduce disputes, and protect their investments.